The second piece of advice has to do with part 6, and boy oh boy, this part is super tricky. You have 4 different texts about the same topic, and you have 4 questions to answer about the texts. And I know this sounds really easy because you only have 4 short texts and 4 questions, so this part should be a doddle. Am I right? No, I'm not right. I'm completely wrong. This part is hard. And that's because each question requires an understanding of all of the texts. For instance, in this example, part 6 presents 4 different reviews of a book by the philosopher Alain de Botton. And here is an example question. Which reviewer has a different view to reviewer C on the originality of de Botton's ideas? In order to answer this question, we need to understand what every reviewer thinks about the originality of de Botton's ideas. And then we need to identify what reviewer C's opinion is and which other reviewer has a similar opinion to reviewer C. That's a lot of information to be tracking down and keeping tabs on in your little brain. So, what are we going to do? We are going to use the power of the pencil. In order to answer this question, we are not going to read each review in depth because we just do not have time and our brains are too small to remember all of that information at once. So we're not even going to try. Instead, we are going to scan reviewer C's review very, very quickly, and using the power of the pencil, we're going to underline everything we can find that reviewer C says related to the originality of de Botton's ideas. Then we are going to do the exact same thing for reviewer A, reviewer B, and reviewer D, underlining as we go. And now, all we need to do is compare the information we have underlined. That's it. That's the advice. Keep your reading focused. Don't make it too general. We're trying to answer questions here, not understand complex concepts for a university thesis. No.